Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Trends for seasonal keyword planning. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to trends.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Google Trends homepage. In the top right corner, look for the Sign In button and click on it. Enter your Google account credentials to sign in. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account to set one up. After signing in, return to the Google Trends homepage. Now, navigate to the top menu and click on Get Started under Explore. In the search bar at the top, type a keyword or topic you want to track. After entering the keyword, press the Enter key. You will now see a graph showing the interest over time for your selected keyword. You will then see a prompt asking for notification preferences. Choose how often you would like to receive updates by selecting daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm your choices and hit the Save button. To manage your subscriptions, go back to the Google Trends homepage. In the top right corner, click on your account icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Here you can view and edit your subscriptions. Your subscription changes will be saved automatically. You've successfully set up Google Trends for seasonal keyword planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.